I bet you average Aussie guys didn't know the Mustang was an instant legend the moment it hit the streets. Let's dive into the story of the first generation Mustang. Picture this, it's 1964. Ford drops the curtain on the first generation Mustang, but it's no simple debut. This beauty is known as the 1964 and a half Mustang because it kick-started production early, catching the world by surprise. With a target price of just $2,368, around $22,895 today money, Ford made dreams accessible. And boy did it work. Over 1 million units sold in just 18 months. Talk about a roaring success. You could snag this icon in 3 sleek styles: convertible, coupe, and fastback. Under the hood you had choices too, like the 170 straight 6 or the punchy 289 V8. Pure automotive bliss. Fast forward to 1969 and we see the birth of the Mach 1 and Boss models, adding even more muscle to the Mustang lineage. But by 1970 the design softened a bit, losing some of its aggressive edge. The 1971 version, it gained more size and bulk, a sign of changing times. And by 1973, the last of the first generation rolled off the line, marking the end of an era. But the legacy, that was just getting started. Here's to the 1964 and a half Mustang, a true classic that revved up the hearts of car enthusiasts and never looked back. Keep those engines running. All you average Aussie Mustang lovers.